Lovies, it's KENDRA K and I'm back again with another video. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribed, and if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. I don't know why I got this gum in my mouth. Let me say this gum out my mouth. Let's get into today's video. In today's video, if you are interested in knowing how I do my pretty everyday makeup that looks so natural, you're here right now because you want the tea. I'm gonna give you the tea. I'll be doing more so of a talk through on what I like to do my pretty everyday makeup. I have not been into my skin lately. My skin has been, I haven't restocked on my skin. If those of you that are new here don't know what skincare products I love to use on my face, I love to use SKN By LH. Lori Harvey's line is that this look consists of light foundation, no contour, just concealer underneath my eyes. I love to go on with some highlight. Let's start off with the foundations that are golden. Two different foundation colors. I use color 322 in Warm Honey. Yes, I got it right, Warm Honey. Look at me learning the name of my products. And I go in with 355 to get my exact color. When I use one, it's either too light or it's too dark every single time I do my makeup. So I came to the conclusion that mixing colors and being a real artist can get you the exact shade that you're looking for. So that's a pro tip from my channel. Always gotta get dewy, smooth finish. I love dewy. I have never been the matte type of girl. Always looked dewy. Always want that summer glow. If you ultimately want a summer glow, you have to get the dewy foundation. You never want to get matte. Now, if you are a dottie that loves the matte finish, you guys, I want y'all to let me know in the comment section. I personally cannot get into it. If you want it down, let me know. This mirror right here. This mirror, I like to look at myself. This is a normal vanity mirror. I don't have a vanity set up in my room. I normally do my makeup in the bathroom, which is right here behind me. I use this mirror to look at myself when I'm doing my lashes and applying the Gold NYX eyeliner. If you would like for me to do a separate video on how I do cat eyeliner, you guys let me know by liking this video and commenting in the comment section down below. Brushes that I have, I got these makeup brushes as a set. I got it from Walmart. They were about $15 for this, and it comes with a lot. I was looking for a makeup set. Sometimes there's really cute bags that come with the makeup bag, and then sometimes it's just not there. This brand in particular, I've seen a lot of girlies on YouTube going with the e.l.f. So if you're an e.l.f. girl, let me know in the comment section down below. This is a trusted brand used by a lot of beauty gurus on YouTube and used by a lot of celebrity makeup artists as well. I am going to go ahead and release my own makeup brush set. Y'all can pre-order in the description down below. They are vegan and they will give you the skin like glow that you're looking for. You gotta shop my own beauty brand. When I'm looking for a foundation brush, that nice plushness, something that doesn't feel overbearing on your skin when you are applying your contour, concealer, foundation, all the makeup brushes in general from e.l.f., they are actually labeled on top of the brush. If you are just now getting into makeup and you know nothing about makeup, you don't know the difference in the brushes like me, when you are ready to do your makeup, you know exactly what brush you are grabbing. Similar to what my brushes are, pink instead of the white at the top. Let me show you guys foundation on it. A little bit dirty. Soapy Faith is a brand that I know she uses Soapy Faith to clean her makeup brushes. Make sure you're cleaning your makeup brushes. I don't know why I came on here, my makeup brushes were dirty, but I did go ahead and put on some makeup today, so that's why it's looking a little bit crazy. So I'm just go ahead and show y'all all the brushes that are labeled. Concealer brush. Me learning the brushes is going to take a little bit of time. I have to quiz myself just a little bit. Just by you picking up the brush, you'll gradually learn what brush is for which type of application. Trying to get a little bit familiar with them or whatever. The eyeshadow brush, I noticed that this is kind of a flat top in comparison to the other one. I do not have a highlighter brush in this kit, which sucks. I kind of use this one to put on my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe highlighter on my nose with this application brush. I know, don't come for me in the comment section down below. I don't have a highlighter brush. My makeup brush kit, which is called Can't Skip Feet, it will include a makeup travel kit for you to keep all your 18 brushes in there. Travel friendly. I know when traveling, it's super convenient to go ahead and have your makeup brushes on the go with you at all times possible. My favorite is the eyebrow duo. For those of you that do not know, I love doing my natural eyebrows. I do not add any type of pomade or anything on my eyebrows. If I add, I will do eyebrow pencil. It looks more natural, but when I do my makeup, I personally just rock my eyebrows. I usually wax my eyebrows once every 2 to 3 weeks. I just brush them with this eyebrow brush, y'all, and I just call it a day. So we just brush them like this. Give you guys like a little close up of my eyebrow. And brush to the side, brush up, and brush to this side. Pomade, you would go ahead and use this one just so the angled brush side can make sure your eyebrows are off bleak. Or if you are like me, you can go ahead and use this side, which is so beneficial. Last brush that I will be showing you guys, this brush is so cute. I don't know what this brush is for, but this is a small stipple by my highlighter, or I use the other one. Just so your makeup could stay on your face all day. Don't use too much. Can't overdo the dewy finish because you're going to be looking like you're sweating, and you never want to look like that ever. This is a dewy finish by NYX. NYX is my favorite brand to work with, and of course I have to go ahead and promote my affiliated links in the description down below. Click those 2 links down below to go ahead and purchase this dewy finish. The setting spray, everyday cat eye. I love doing my everyday cat eye. My cat eye is just that girl. These are old lashes from my previous lash collection. I do not sell 25 millimeters anymore. Exciting news, I will be dropping my new lash collection called Kenzi's. They will be in the length of 10 and 12. They'll be super natural. They will give you the same look that these lashes are giving you at a more natural length, and they will retail for $25. I am so excited to release it to you guys. Now the Kenzi's are going to give you the lash extension look without the price tag. For those of you that are in the mink individual world, you know these lashes be over $100, so I only got you for 25 bucks. Extremely beautiful, and I'm so excited to release them to y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe to Kendra's Collections mailing list so you can be notified when I drop all the lash styles available on my Instagram, which is Kendra's Collections. Go ahead and check it out so you can see main character, 1 mil, and so much more. To go in with tweezers, sometimes I'm able to do it with my fingers and use the mirror that I showed y'all previously in the beginning of the video. I like to use tweezers that have this edge, and I like to look down. This is exactly how I apply my lash. I put the mirror underneath my chin like so, and I align the lash band to my real lash line, and I normally grab it in the middle so I can have full control over my lash, and I set it right on my face like this. This is the perfect angle. This is a lash hack one-on-one for you to apply your lashes seamlessly and easily. I put on my concealer. I like to go on with my Skin Peptide Eye Complex from Lori Harvey. This right here helps with discoloration under your eye, hides those darkness from underneath your eyes if you have bags, crow's feet, anything. I love this. It smells so good and it lasts a long time. Out of all her products, I always use this right here. Always. I need to re-up. So Lori, if you're seeing this video, girl, holler at me and make me a ambassador. Bring that money in for you, girl. For my lip gloss, I always go on with Kendra's Collections Pucker Up Gloss Glistener. Love it so much. So hydrating, nourishing wear when I go ahead. It lasts all day and it smells so good. It's vanilla scented. Decided to go with vanilla scented lip gloss because that is the most common. I love smelling vanilla on my lips. Real yummy. My lips always feel hydrated. It helps with wrinkles in your lips as well. It's 100% organic, y'all. So that is the application on my lips. I don't know why my camera's not focusing. It's so aggravating. Now let's go in with my holy grail highlighters in my makeup bag. If I can find the Fenty Beauty, that'll be great. I always love to use on my face. If I'm not going in with the Fenty Beauty in the color Trophy Wife, then I am going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome. I always love to apply highlighter in those pinpoints that make you look like you're going nose, the inner eye corner, or the brow bone area. Now for today, I went in with the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe on my nose. A little dabble on it and blended it in on my nose. Not sure if you guys can see, but I'm going to apply her. Nice pigment. I just do that. And I just apply it right here. And rub it in, and it makes a difference, y'all. It makes you look so beautiful. I love this highlight so much. It looks so good. Trophy wipe, because we are the trophy wipe. This hair bonding glue lasts longer than the lash glue. I don't have any type of irritation, and even when I go outside, when you use this bond glue, you don't have to worry about your lashes falling off. You can go on a boat, you can go skydiving, you can go everywhere, and it's not going to fall off. You never have to worry about it. Yeah. yeah, so this is the glue. Lasts all day. All day. This is more of like a tinted gold instead of that bright gold one that I showed y'all by Fenty Beauty. I decide to always go with the, yeah, this is more of a bronzy type of gold. I love the Fenty Beauty gold. It just goes well with my skin complexion. Packaging, I took my time with this packaging, and I have leveled up the packaging for the lip gloss as well, so it's actually a more shiny packaging instead of this one right here. And the directions are always listed for you in the back, and the ingredients as well. Swatch is at the top too. Lip gloss is so bomb. So cute, y'all. Today I decided to do a cute little bang right here, and I always go in with these two edge controls right here. They will be in the description down below for you to go ahead and do. This is my summer protective style, y'all. Look, 36 inches, and I love, if I have to choose between two hairstyles for the summertime, I will go with bohemian braids, not this braid set that, because we won't do the knots no more. And my new locks, the new locks was done by bookmajestictouch on Instagram, so y'all can go ahead and check that out. This claw clip is actually from TJ Maxx as well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tag me in your pretty everyday makeup, and let me know what you do to apply your makeup, what foundations you use to put on your makeup, because your girl wants to know. And become a dolly right now. Turn on your post notification bell for more beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content like today.